Hi everyone! Today we'll learn about the basic trigonometric functions, which are sine, cosine, tangent, cosecant, secant, and cotangent. So let's solve this problem right here, which has find the 6 trigonometric functions of theta in the triangle shown. So let us always remember the acronym SOHCAHTOA, which means sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, tangent is opposite over adjacent, and then cosecant is the reciprocal of sine, secant is the reciprocal of cosine, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent. So now first let us put on the values of our legs. So the opposite side is 5 and the adjacent leg is 12. So now let's first get the hypotenuse using the Pythagorean theorem. So that would be h squared equal 5 squared plus 12 squared. So that's square root of 25 plus 144, or the square root of 169, which is equal to 13. And now let's get the values of our different trigonometric functions. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, so that's 5 over 13. Cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so that's 12 over 13. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so that's 5 over 12. And then cosecant, it's the reciprocal of sine, so that's 13 over 5. And then secant is the reciprocal of cosine, so that's 13 over 12, and cotangent is the reciprocal of tangent, so that's 12 over 5. Now those are 6 trigonometric functions.